In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage ChatGPT for software testing. We'll walk through a series of steps that will guide you from generating test cases to writing automation scripts and even planning how to make sure your tests are as thorough and efficient as possible. First, let's get started by opening ChatGPT. You'll want to head over to chatopenai.com and log into your account. Once you're in, start a new chat session. This will be the workspace where we'll generate everything you need for your software testing journey. Next, let's generate some test cases from your requirements. Say, for example, you're working on testing a login page for a website. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a set of test cases covering various scenarios such as valid and invalid logins, empty fields, incorrect passwords, password length restrictions, and even tests involving special characters. The tool can present these test cases in a clear and organized table with sections for test case ID, description, steps, and expected results. This structured approach not only helps in visualizing your testing plan, but also ensures nothing crucial is overlooked. Now, with those test cases in hand, you might want to write some automation scripts. Let's use Selenium with Python as an example here, which is a popular choice for browser-based automation. You can ask ChatGPT to draft a simple script for your login page testing. The script could start by opening Chrome, navigating to your login page at example.com, entering the username and password, clicking the login button, and then verifying if the user is successfully redirected to the dashboard. Keeping it simple at the start makes it beginner-friendly and ensures you understand each part of the process. Moving forward, it's critical to ask for edge cases that might impact the functionality of your login page. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm 10 realistic edge cases to test, which might cover things like security vulnerabilities, performance under stress, or handling unusual user inputs. Identifying these edge cases early can save a lot of trouble down the line and enhance the stability and reliability of your application. As you dive deeper, it's beneficial to create a test plan outline. Request ChatGPT to draft a concise plan that includes key elements like the objective, scope, test scenarios, and test data, along with tools and reporting methods. A well-crafted test plan serves as a roadmap for your testing activities, aligning your efforts with project goals and expectations. Lastly, equip yourself with some best practices for software testing automation. As we look to 2025, have ChatGPT list out 10 beginner-friendly best practices. Each should come with an explanation of its importance, ensuring you not only know the steps, but also the reasoning behind them, which is pivotal in improving your testing effectiveness over time. And there you have it. With ChatGPT's assistance, you're well on your way to mastering software testing, combining efficiency with thoroughness in a very modern and intuitive manner.